Hey everyone, today
Hello.
we cook sausages
Mm-hmm.
and I made up a sausage challenge.
Yeah.
You have to eat the sausage as fast as you can.
No way.
So that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Kitty tail, kitty tail. So let's get that a tooth or something. I think that's like a tooth in mine. Okay. You get to do anything to the sausage before you eat it. I'm going to take it out of the bread, then it's easier. Do you think taking it out of the bread should be cheating or? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Hang on. Have you subscribed yet? You have to subscribe before I eat it. You have 3 seconds to subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Get this down.
Yeah, I'll say go.
Go! Swallow, 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 swallow. Swallow, 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 swallow. Flutter like a birdie. Flat, flutter, flat. Oh. I have disappeared. Oh, I've disappeared. Do you guys know where I am? Because I totally disappeared. Oh!
Time's up. You guys can count how long I took, because I'm not. You can do it for me if you're a subscriber. If you're a real big fan, then I bet you can count in the comments how much seconds. I'd be surprised how much seconds. If it's under 40 seconds, then I'm going to be really amazed. And if you count, I'll subscribe to your channel. If you count. So now the bread. 3, 2, 1.
Time's up. Water bottle.
Guys. I think I have to go. I think after I go to the toilet, plus the time's up.
Time's
I
up.
can have a water bottle.
Time's up. Chugging water bottle. Chugging water bottle. Oh yeah, you can chug yeah. Chug more butter.
So guys, Joe got me the water bottle from the floor. It's been on the floor for a while, but
It's on the floor.
doesn't mean anything.
It was on the floor. Not full. You guys, it's shout. check out my videos.
Yeah, subscribe to Gerald Babone. Gerald, and then with a G. Gerald with a G. And then we've got
Buck.
B, a capital B, and then a lowercase b, and then O-N-E, Babone.
BB.
So, let's go. Gerald, you count.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Hang on, I'm full.
29 seconds.
I'm full.
So.
Look how much I drank it though. I would finish that, but I'm full, so. We can chug the rest of this in the next video. Plus, in every video now, we're at least gonna chug 1 or 2 water bottles. So, and this time we chugged sort of half-ish. Half and a half of a quarter. So, guys, it's still gone for a short amount of time. So, what else do you think we should have time to do? Or some leftover activity?
Hey, I like this hairstyle. Look at it. I like it. I like it. All I gotta do is that. Fine. I can go back to my hairstyle original. Nah. Ta-da! That's better like this. That's way better. Look like a rock star.
Guys, do you know the channel Jeb's? If you know that, then go subscribe if you don't know him. He gave me this weapon.
Jib swears.
Yeah, so don't really watch his videos if you don't like swearing, because I don't watch his videos, honestly, because he swears way too much.
People say that I'm gonna be in the
I only
next
watch the
voting.
making slime videos, and I'm also in the next voting. So go vote for me once the video comes out. So
Which you give me
he
in
gave
August.
me this weapon. He made it himself. He sent it to me through the mail. And it's like this knife. And it's got a rope attached to it. And he went crazy on those knots.
What about
And
the other?
see how long this rope is?
What about the
It's like
other?
really long. It's longer than my whole hand. So
The other Jebs.
yeah, Jeb Smart.
Yeah, him.
Or is it Jeb Smats?
Smart. I don't know.
So, guys, we're just about to end the video because it's gone for long enough, so. Bye.